can customize BONOSS BMW 3 Series wheel spacers. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory. OEM ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit your BMW 3 Series.
If you are a BMW enthusiast, you probably already know that swapping out your wheels can give your ride a whole new vibe, both in looks and performance. One popular mode is converting from a 4-lug pattern to a 5-lug pattern, and it's catching on fast. Today we're diving into why this conversion is a game changer, especially when you pair it with BONOSS wheel spacers, and which BMW models are most often in the spotlight for this upgrade. What's the pros of installing 4-lug to 5-lug conversion wheel adapters? Why the range of wheels? For owners of old BMW 3 Series, choosing a 4-hub to 5-hub wheel adapters is unnecessary, especially when they need to replace aftermarket wheels, as most of today's cool performance wheels are designed for a 5-hub. By converting your BMW, you're opening up a world of wheel options and weren't originally available. Better brake clearance. 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters often allows you to fit larger, more efficient brakes. If you are planning to upgrade your brakes, this conversion is a must. Improved handling. Increasing your vehicle's track width can boost cornering grip and overall stability. Whether you are on the track or just taking a speedy drive, this mode can make a noticeable difference in how your BMW handles.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, Hub-Centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub-Centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the wheel's top, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed across the top and not the wheel stud. This minimizes the risk of vibration and ensures a better fit. That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye-bye.